We stayed at Byron Butter Factory for 2 nights and we had enjoyed our stay. The apartment was clean, spacious with modern interior, has all the essentials, and we have direct access to the pool. Would definitely stay here again. Experience luxury and comfort at Byron Butter Factory Apartments. Welcome to Byron Butter Factory Apartments, a luxurious 4-star hotel located in the heart of Byron Bay, Australia. With its prime location and exceptional amenities, this hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for both leisure and business travelers. Upon arrival, guests are greeted with a warm welcome and efficient check-in process. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to start your vacation or business trip without any delay. The friendly and professional staff is always ready to assist you with any inquiries or special requests to ensure a seamless and enjoyable stay. At Byron Butter Factory Apartments, you can expect nothing less than the highest level of comfort and luxury. The spacious and tastefully decorated rooms are designed to provide a tranquil retreat after a long day of exploring the vibrant city of Byron Bay. Each room is equipped with modern amenities, including air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom, ensuring that your stay is as comfortable as possible. Families traveling with children will find Byron Butter Factory Apartments to be an ideal choice. The hotel's child policy allows children between the ages of 0 to stay free of charge. This means that you can bring your little ones along without worrying about any additional costs. The hotel also provides amenities and services specifically catered to families, ensuring that both parents and children have a memorable and enjoyable stay. Checkout time is until 10 a.m., giving you ample time to relax and prepare for your departure. Whether you're heading out to explore the beautiful beaches of Byron Bay or catching an early morning flight, the hotel staff will assist you with a hassle-free checkout process. Experience the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and convenience at Byron Butter Factory Apartments. Book your stay now and create unforgettable memories in the stunning coastal town of Byron Bay, Australia. Relax and unwind with exciting entertainment facilities at Byron Butter Factory Apartments. At Byron Butter Factory Apartments, we understand the importance of providing our guests with a range of entertainment options to enhance their stay. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or have some fun, our entertainment facilities are sure to impress.